An inequality compares values using symbols like less than or greater than. Solving an inequality is almost the same as solving an equation. The goal is still to get x by itself, and we do the same operation to both sides. Here are the key rules. Adding or subtracting keeps the inequality sign the same. Multiplying or dividing by a positive number also keeps the sign the same. But multiplying or dividing by a negative number flips the sign. That rule is the most important part of today's lesson. Example 1 is x plus 4 less than 10. We want to isolate x, so subtract 4 from both sides. X plus 4 minus 4 less than 10 minus 4. Now simplify. X less than 6. That means any number less than 6 works. Let's test 5. 5 plus 4 equals 9, and 9 less than 10 is true. Example 2 is x minus 3 greater than 5. This time, add 3 to both sides. X minus 3 plus 3 greater than 5 plus 3. Simplify. X greater than 8. The sign stayed the same because we added a positive number. Check it with 9. 9 minus 3 equals 6, and 6 greater than 5 is true. Now example 3, this is the important one. Negative 2x less than 8. X is being multiplied by negative 2, so divide both sides by negative 2. Negative 2x divided by negative 2 less than 8 divided by negative 2. Now the special rule. Because we divided by a negative number, we must flip the inequality sign. X greater than negative 4. Notice the sign changed from less than to greater than. Let's test it with 0. Negative 2 times 0 less than 8. 0 less than 8 is true. If we forgot to flip the sign, the check would fail. So remember these two rules. Do the same operation to both sides and flip the inequality sign only when multiplying or dividing by a negative number.